This is the easiest way to change your location. Do you wonder how to change location on iOS? The first question you might have is why people need to change location. Well, with a fake location you can protect your privacy, prank on your friends and more. Also, you can use fake location in many apps like GPS-based mobile games and social apps. In 2025, location tracking is a very serious issue and literally every single app that you use tracks your location. So spoofing your location isn't a horrible idea, especially if you are dealing with a confidential project or need to access some sort of website or game without having your actual location be revealed. That's where the people over at iMyFone come into play with their software called AnyTo. It's a location spoofing software and it actually allows you to fake your location to absolutely anywhere in the world that you would like, and it doesn't involve you hopping on a plane going there. You can literally do it at home from your device. By faking your location, it becomes more difficult for online services to track your physical location, thereby increasing your privacy. The software that I'm gonna show you today is AnyTo, and now I'm gonna show you how to download, install, and how to use the software. First, go to the official website of the software, which is iMyFone AnyTo, and as you see, this is the software. iMyFone AnyTo, it's one of the best free location changer for iPhone and Android. This software provides an app version that doesn't require a computer. One-click change GPS location on iPhone and Android without jailbreak or root, simulate GPS movement safely, customize routes and speeds, GPS joystick control, work with all location-based apps, compatible with the latest Android 15 and iOS 18, and AnyTo only modifies location with user authorization. If you scroll down here, you can find more about the software and see its features and how to use it. Okay, hit the download button to download AnyTo for free. The software is now downloading. The download has completed. After downloading the software, go ahead and open it. Now open this to install AnyTo software. Okay, hit the agree button and then hit install. I've already installed it, so I will not install it again. After installing it, go ahead and open it. And as you see, this is the software and this is the main interface. Okay, go ahead and click get started. Here it will ask you to connect your device. If you are using an iOS device, you can connect it via Wi-Fi, but I recommend you to use USB cable for better connection. I will connect my iPhone via USB cable. Okay, this is it. Click OK. Here choose the mode you want to use. If you want to use the software for games, select game mode, and for the other social apps use universal mode. I will use universal mode. Okay, now the software will show you your current location. Okay, now I'm gonna use iOS screen sharing to show my iOS device on my Mac. Okay, this is my iPhone. Now how to change your location? It's very simple. You can use AnyTo software to change and fake your location easily with just one click. Just select any place you want on the map and your location will be there as you see. Just select the place you want and the software will do the job. Okay, I will change my location again to another location. And that's it. Pretty simple and easy. AnyTo software provide many useful features like teleport mode, jump teleport mode, two-spot mode, multi-spot mode, and joystick. I'm gonna show you how to use these features. So the first one is teleport mode. With it, you can change your location to any place you want as we did previously. With jump teleport mode, you can customize the jumping teleport route. You can plan and mark locations in advance without needing to select them again every time you finish modifying your location. You can teleport to multiple locations in a row, making it easy to go anywhere without going outside. It's a good feature to jump to other location without actually moving as you see. Just select a location on the map and jump directly to that place without moving. This is a pretty good feature. With two-spot mode, you can set the start and end points on the map, and this will help you move at a specific speed. With this feature, you can change the GPS movement trace on the device when using location-based apps such as LBS games, fitness apps, and more. You can from here change the mode from walking to bicycle to car. Also, you can change the speed as you want. Once you select and edit the route you want, just click move, and then the GPS will move according to the planned route as you see. It's just like that. With multi-spot mode feature, it makes moving across the map simple along with regulating your movement. Just plan a route by selecting multiple spots on the map, then the GPS will move along with different simulated speed like walking, cycling, or driving. This is very useful in games. You can plan a route by selecting multiple spots on the map, then the location of your device will move as you like at different simulated speeds. You can select many places as you want. The GPS will move according to the planned route. It will start moving from 1 to 2 to 3 and so on. And finally, with joystick feature, you can easily move your character on the map without physically moving there. For example, when you play Pokémon Go with a Pokémon Go joystick, it becomes much easier to go anywhere and just play from the comfort of your home. Joystick mode allows you to freely move location direction when playing games using GPS joystick or keyboard to control GPS movement direction. You can freely change the location direction easily from here. This is really useful in many games. You can use the virtual joystick to control the GPS movement and control the virtual location of your device. AnyTo also allows you to export GPX file to save your favorite routes. Also change the map style so you can select bright style, dark streets, 3D maps, and more. The best thing is that it works almost everywhere like dating apps, social apps, Find My iPhone, Find Friends, AR games, and many more. AnyTo is a good software that I recommend you to download and give it a try. You will find the download link in the description below this video. So guys, this is our video for today, and as always, if you enjoyed watching this video, give it a like, hit the subscribe button for more videos, and peace.